to learn about
farm animals.
Are you ready, Kenny?
Yes,
What animal is this?
it's cow.
What color is the cow?
It's black and white.
Guys, say cow. What animal is this, Kenny?
It's pig.
What color is this pig?
It's pink.
Okay, some are pink and some are kind of black. Do you know that?
No.
So today you learn it. Okay, guys, say again. 1, 2, 3. Pig.
Pink.
What animal is this?
It's horse.
Can the horse swim?
No.
Then can the horse run?
Yes.
Can it run slowly?
No.
It can run slowly and it can run fast. Understand? Okay, guys, say it together. 1, 2, 3. Horse. What's this one?
Bee.
Good job. Do you know what color is the bee?
Black and yellow.
So can you see these wings here?
Yes.
How many wings does a bee have?
4.
Okay, guys, say quickly with us. 1, 2, 3. Bee. What animal is this?
Donkey.
Okay, so can you see the donkey looks like the horse?
Yes.
Okay, so guys, it's a donkey. 1, 2, 3. Donkey. Okay, what animal is this?
It's duck.
What can a duck do? Okay, so I will ask a question now. Can a duck walk?
Yes.
So, can ducks swim?
No.
Wait. Okay, so the duck can swim, okay? Alright, everyone, say it together really quickly. 1, 2, 3. Duck! What animal is this?
It's chicken.
Okay, now say it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Chicken! What animal is this?
It's rabbit.
Do you like rabbit?
Yes.
Okay, guys, Kenny really likes this animal. Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Rabbit! What's this animal?
It's dog.
Okay, everyone, say it together. Dog!
Dog.
Okay, now, fun fact about dog. Do you know that dogs are humans' best friends? Do you know that, Kenny?
No.
Okay, now, what is this animal?
It's frog.
Wait a minute. Is a frog a farm animal?
No.
So, is a frog a forest animal?
Yes.
Okay, guys, so the frog is not a farm animal. It's a forest animal, okay? Next one. Do you know what this cute thing animal is?
Cat.
And do you like cat?
Yes.
Everyone, say together. 1, 2, 3. Cat! Okay, now, what's this one?
It's sheep.
Good job. Okay, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Sheep! Okay, now, did you learn all your animals now, Kenny?
Yes.
Okay, guys, remember to watch some of my videos to learn more. Okay, thank you for listening. Say goodbye, Kenny. Goodbye.